Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install EY TaxChat app in your device. EY TaxChat is an app that helps you offer a convenient and secure way to file your taxes remotely with the help of qualified tax professionals. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search EY TaxChat. There you can see EY TaxChat. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open EY TaxChat app to help you file your taxes. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.